In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Affinity. Now, there's actually a bunch of ways to do this. The easiest one is to just go ahead and hold down your Control key on your keyboard and then just use your mouse wheel. So you can either scroll it up, which is going to zoom in, or scroll it down, which is going to zoom out. So that's the first way to do it and by far the quickest one. However, if you're not using a mouse or can't scroll for some reason, you could go to the View tab up top, hover over the zoom part, and here you can go in, or you could go, as you can see here, out. Okay, you also have different options here, so you could go ahead and do to fit, to width, to selection, to document, or also do a specific percentage of a zoom. So if I do 800, it's going to zoom in a lot, as you can see, but you also have the options to use these keyboard shortcuts depending on however you have them set up. Okay, so for me, for example, this one is Ctrl+4. If I press that, it's going to zoom in, do different zooms, stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you can zoom. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.